Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the clip type because removal methods differ. This matters. Once identified, position the item on a flat surface and secure it. Use a small flathead or needle nose pliers to open split rings or depress springs. You do this so you avoid tearing the lanyard or scratching the device. Make sure to work in good light and use a magnifier for tiny clips, as precision prevents damage and speeds the next steps. Now you focus on disengaging the actual mechanism. This is the detailed work. Insert the flathead at the seam and gently twist to create a gap. You do this to expose the ring or spring. If it's a swivel clip, press the spring tab downward while sliding the lanyard off. Steady pressure prevents sudden release. For clamp styles, open the hinge fully and slide the material out slowly. Once the part is free, inspect the attachment so you understand why it held fast. Finish by fully removing the clip and placing any tiny parts in a container so nothing gets lost. You should inspect the lanyard and device for damage. Bent metal or a missing spring explains persistent failure. If you plan to reattach a new clip, align the components first, then snap or screw them together. Test with a gentle tug to confirm security. If it sticks or won't seat, stop and realign. Forcing it will cause damage, so troubleshoot alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.